Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save and export your videos on the CapCut PC. So to save, actually, CapCut PC has the auto save feature. So if you done some changes, for example, I trim my photo like this, it will be auto save. So you don't need to save it again. So when you close it, it will save the last changes that you made. So to export, you can just click on export here at the top, and there will be an export box right here. Here you can change the title, you can change the file path, where the file will be exported, and here you can also change the resolution, the frame rate, and other settings. But if you are satisfied with the result, just click on export and it will be saved to your computer. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.